Okay, now so the first section is ready. Okay, similarly you have to create 3 more sections, right? And once again I give an idea here. So once the user created this airfoil of SC1095, there's one more required like this, and that's the third mode, right? So this is how you're gonna make it and make a sweep out of out of it, and this is how it gonna be. Okay, so this is an overview only, but yes, let's just get back to the video, and we are going to create one more airfoil and send some distance to it. Okay, and this is how we're going to make a rotor blade of a UH-60 Cirrus Key helicopter. Okay, back again. So we have made the first airfoil. Okay, now the second one comes it with this one, which is yeah, this one, SC1094R8. Just copy the name, put it here, press Ctrl F, and this is the one which is we need. Okay, go for the same process, select format, and copy the thing, right, in the folder, put it in the Word file, sorry, this notepad, and that's it. You can go for Ctrl S, import this in a Excel sheet. So I have this one. Nope. So let's just delete the. So we are going to make another sheet, okay, and try to import it here. Okay, from text, next, space, next, finish. Okay, let's check it is different from the previous one. Yes, it is. So yes, just copy the stuff, Control All, Control C. Yes, copied, and open the Excel sheet. The other one, yes, this is the one. So right click up here, go for this option, values. Okay, and this contain few more rows, sorry, few more rows here, right? Correct. So just add the zeros and add the numbers. Okay, that's it. Again, go for export. Make sure you have your CATIA opened up for that. So second section of airfoil, the name of the airfoil, copy, and here go for OK, all checked up. So yes, we are going to make this same as we did earlier. Okay, the slide part is that we are going to add it in the existing part design. Okay, that's a trick here. Okay, so let's see if we got the thing. Yes, we got it here. Okay, same thing, just use a spline to make a to join these points. So I'm just for fast forwarding the steps up here. Okay, same thing, delete the first point, okay. Now the same thing, select the profile, go for scaling option up here, to the YZ plane, 1000. This is the camera length. You can change it as per your requirement, but this is the thing. Okay, so again go for operations, scaling, this time the ZX plane, review. Okay, just hide these two things up here. Go for the term called hide all points. Perfect, zoom out, you got the profile. Okay, now The second part is just open the one which we have made earlier, the first profile. Okay, yes, this one. So the length here is 1000, the camber length. So I made a customization for myself. You can use 100 if you are using ANSYS, I mentioned earlier, right? So yes, now the job is to bring that the second one into this one. Okay, means the previous one. So what we do, we just copy this thing, this one. So just simply click on this one and go for Control V. Okay, so you will get this thing. Okay, so this is different, as I can see, and this is different one. So now the job is to just shift this to the another axis, or what you can say distance. So use the operation called, let me check here, insert operations and called translate. Yeah, this is the one, right? So direction should be the other yeah, this one, xy plane, and the distance should be, let's take it as 1000. Okay, so yeah, you got the profile up here, but this time again you need to hide these things. Okay, hide this one and zoom in. Hide this as well. Go for tools, hide all points. So all gone, and let's just see how it looks. Yeah, perfect. At a distance, it's fine. Or you can also do one thing, that saying just add one more zero to make it lengthy. Okay, so it's a blade, right? So ultimately it should have some length. Okay, so I'm going to just give a little bit, let's just say 5000, and go for update up here. There's option called update. Okay, so it will update the things. Okay, so don't forget that. You can use the option called auto update, right? So this is also, what do you call, yes, well, auto update. Okay, fine. So just go up here and select this one, go for hide. Okay, and for this as well, select hide all points, hide all sketches, hide all, I believe, curves. Oh no, that's required. Okay, fine. So this too is required. Let's just try to connect them. Okay, yes, we are going to insert a third profile, which is this one. Where it is, yes, this one, SC105. So similarly you have to do the same step. Okay, but this time I will show you how to add little bit of what you call slight disorientation, or you can say eccentricity from here. Okay, so like a little bit curve from here. So yeah, let's just do that as well. But yes, for now I'll just show you how to connect them. Okay, for connecting we are using a multi-section surface, right? So this one and this one, go for preview. Yes, it's correct, it's coming up. To verify it, go for select this plane and go for this called normal. If I zoom in, you can see that there's a difference between this, right? Yeah, we are doing it correct, and this is how it's gonna be. You can add the length if you want, but we can do it in the end depending upon the what do you call, depending upon the test system that you're building in, right? So in ANSYS you want least amount of, what you call, nodes creation. So for that we make the design very minimal. Okay, very minimum, so it will be easier for the laptops to breathe in. Okay, that's it. Now again the same step,